How to get double XP in Duolingo. So let's get started. Firstly, what is XP on Duolingo? An XP or experience points are the points earned while learning on Duolingo, and it helps double the amount of XP earned by a learner. So, however, if you complete the last lesson of a level when the boost is active, you get 50 XP or 20 XP for completing the lesson and 5 XP for a full combo bonus multiplied by 2. So all you have to do is complete a crown level, and on earning a crown you will also win an XP post. If you skip a lesson and earn a crown, you won't unlock an XP boost. When you unlock the XP boost on completing an level, it will be active for 15 minutes. Use it as soon as possible, or you can start lessons on Duolingo as early as possible. And one should complete the lessons by midday to earn the early bird reward XP boost. And this boost will unlock around 6 p.m. and you can claim it on the same day. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.